Hi, I am Elena Morgan from Future You Health. Your body does most of its repair work at night, but only if you're doing these 5 things before bed. Miss even one, and you're leaving decades of health on the table. Your body does most of its repair work at night, but only if you're doing these 5 things before bed. Miss even one, and you're leaving decades of health on the table. After 40, your growth hormone drops by nearly 50%. That's the hormone that rebuilds muscle, repairs skin, and strengthens bones. But here's the good news. These 5 habits tell your body it's time to rebuild. Let's start. Habit 1. Drink tart cherry juice 90 minutes before bed. It's one of the few natural sources of melatonin. Studies show it adds up to 84 minutes of sleep. Habit 2. Take 3 grams of glycine before sleep. It's an amino acid found in bone broth. Glycine lowers your core body temperature, which triggers deeper sleep stages. Research from Japan found glycine improved next-day alertness and reduced daytime fatigue, without any grogginess. Habit 3. Do a 10-minute legs up the wall pose. This reverses blood pooling from sitting all day. Your lymphatic system finally drains properly. This pose also activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and repair mode. Your heart rate slows, inflammation drops. Habit 4. Eat 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed. Researchers at Taipei Medical University found this improved sleep onset by 35%. Kiwis are loaded with serotonin and antioxidants. They help regulate your internal clock without any supplements needed. Habit 5. Practice 4 to 7, 8 breathing for just 4 cycles. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 7, exhale for 8. This technique floods your bloodstream with nitric oxide and signals your vagus nerve to calm everything down. Cortisol plummets within minutes. Here's what matters. These aren't random tips. Each one targets a specific repair pathway: growth hormone, lymph drainage, serotonin, cortisol regulation. Pick just one tonight. Try it for a week. Your body will show you the difference. And always check with your doctor before starting anything new. Drop a comment telling me which habit you'll try first, and subscribe so you never miss a video that helps you age stronger. Thanks for spending these few minutes with me. Your sleep is your superpower after 40. Take care of it tonight, and I'll see you in the next one.